A magic square is a grid of numbers. Here, the numbers in every row and every column will add up to exactly the same sum. What if you could construct this magic square in just 2 minutes? And you will do it without any complex calculations. You will also learn how to construct any magic square of odd order like 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 7 by 7 and so on. So without any delay, let's get started. This is a 5 by 5 magic square. So in total, there are 25 numbers. We'll be using the numbers from 1 to 25. Let's begin from the center of the first row. 1. The next number will have to be placed diagonally upright, which means here. But this is outside the magic square. In this case, we will move the number either to the beginning of that row or to the bottom of that column. Let's understand what this means. If you move to the beginning of this row, we still end up outside the box. So we'll move to the bottom of this column here. Next, we'll move up right again. 3. 4 should come here. Since it has moved outside the square, let's move it to the beginning of the row. Then comes 5. Now when we move upright in this grid, there's already a number. In such case, we will move one step downward from the previous cell. So 6 comes here. 7, 8, 9 goes outside, which will fall here. 10 again goes outside the square. So that is moved to the beginning. The next grid is already filled. So we'll move to the bottom grid. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now when you move, it goes outside the magic square and you cannot move to the beginning of the row or the bottom of the column. Here again, we'll move to one step below the grid. 16. 17 is moved to the beginning of the row. 18 comes to the bottom. 19, 20, and since this grid is filled, 21 falls right below 20. 22. 23 is moved here. 24 and finally 25 falls here. That's it. We have our magic square. When you add the numbers in every row, every column and the diagonals, we'll get the answer 65. Here we have a few more criteria to confirm that our magic square construction is correct. The ending number will always be at the center of the last row. The upright diagonal here will always be a series of continuous numbers. And when you have the number falling out of the magic square and you have to move to either the beginning or the bottom, that grid will always be empty. Now let's see some more magic. In this example, we started from 1 up to 25. But you could use any number and continue as a series. Let's say we start from 25. We'll be using the same rules. So we'll start from the center of the first row. Here. 26 goes here. 27, 28 goes here. 29, 30 will be moved here. 31, 32, 33 comes here. 34 goes here. 35 has to come here. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 will come here. 41 goes here. 42 falls here. 43, 44, 45 is moved here. 46, 47 goes here. 48 and finally 49 will end up at the center of the last row. Here you can pause the video and try to add the numbers in any row or any column or the diagonals. You will get the answer 185. So this also is a magic square of order 5. Finally, we'll see how to construct a 7 by 7 magic square. We'll start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. Here again, when you add the numbers of the rows or the columns or the diagonals, we'll get the same answer 175. You could use the same technique to form a 3 by 3 magic square. You could pause the video here, do it yourself and verify if you got this magic square. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the fun with a friend. Thanks for watching.